what's up? It's Trish coming at you with my favorite fire tips. I'm here in Alaska. It is so beautiful and so wild here. Be sure to check out Devin and Trish's adventure channel on YouTube for all the fun stuff we're doing. So today, I'm gonna help you be fire smart to prevent wildfires. Tip number 1, do your homework. Don't wait till you get to your campsite to think about fire safety. You need to research the fire restrictions for where you're going before you get there. Also determine where you're gonna source your wood. You want your firewood to be sourced from approximately within 50 miles of where you're going to be camping. This is to prevent the spread of invasive species. So do your best to get wood from where you're camping or nearby. Also, be sure that you plan to pack plenty of water to extinguish your fire if you're not certain that there's water available nearby. Tip number 2, pay attention to fire signs while you're driving to your campsite, okay? Those will reinforce the information you obtained while doing your research, okay? Look for the signs. They'll tell you what kind of fires you can have, if any are currently permitted. All right, tip number 3. Now that you're at your campsite, you need to figure out where you can safely have a fire. If you're at a camping facility, there's likely already a pit there, so use that. If you're backcountry camping, look again for an already made pit. If you're lucky and your backcountry spot already has a fire pit, be sure to evaluate it, dig it in deeper if you need to, or surround it with more rocks if they're around. Now that you have a place for your fire, go ahead and get it burning. But never leave your fire unattended. There should be a designated fire watcher at all times. This way, if a big spark does fly, they're there, ready to put it out and prevent a wildfire. Never go to bed without ensuring your fire is properly extinguished. To do this, spread the wood and coals out in your fire area as far as you can. There should never be even a flame. Use that water you brought or go to the stream that's down the site. Make sure your fire is completely out before you go to bed. If you were backcountry camping and had to build your own pit, consider dismantling it before you leave. Remember, we want to leave no trace of us having been there when we head back home. Let's take care of our Mother Earth by preventing wildfires today. Thanks so much. Watch again. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll check you next time on Tips from Trish.